Hello, I'm Syed Najmul Hasan from Maulana Azad National Urdu University, Hyderabad, India. I'll be presenting astronomy program for undergraduates and postgraduates in Copperbelt University, Zambia, empowering future astronomers. Our team comprises of Dr. Priya Hasan, Professor Prosperi Simperba, and myself. The Copperbelt University is the second largest public university in Zambia. The university offers diverse programs in natural sciences, medicine, mining, natural resource management, business, engineering, at both undergraduate and postgraduate levels. Their main campus is in Kitwe, Zambia, and they have a beautiful campus, which you can see here. Need for astronomy program. Growing interest in space sciences is one of the important reasons why we need to have an astronomy program. Another important thing is there are various major observatories in Africa which have been there and the new ones coming up. To name a few, SALT, the South African Large Telescope. It is the largest single optical telescope in the Southern Hemisphere. SAAO has the 1.9 meter telescope. Kotamia Observatory in Cairo is also a functional optical telescope. Meerkat, a radio telescope, which comprises of 64 offset Gregorian antennas, each 13.5 meters in diameter and equipped with cryogenic L-band and UHF band receivers. Mauritius radio telescope in Mauritius, which is a 2 kilometer by 1 kilometer T array of helical antenna. Apart from that, there are many more, and it's important that we get this to the notice of the scientists and students in Africa. And another important thing is the students can be trained on analyzing high quality archival data, which is available to everyone, and to do good science with it without having to invest much. Our aim is to build awareness on the optical and infrared observatories, instruments, and scientific capabilities in Africa, particularly South Africa. Acquaint participants the various sources of astronomy data, methods of accessing and analyzing data, discuss important science cases that can be addressed that relate to the curricula of universities like Copperbelt University in Kitwe or University of Nigeria in Lusaka, to develop tutorials using virtual observatory tools to study the science cases in collaboration with the above universities, to set up computer labs with open source software like Linux and helps install relevant software for astronomy data analysis, conduct hands-on workshops or present the tutorials prepared to teachers and students using virtual observatory tools and data analysis for specific science cases related to the curriculum. We got special grant from IVOA-OAD, and we are very grateful for that. The sessions were conducted by Dr. Priya Hasan, Paul Ferry, and myself, Hasan. We visited Copperbelt University, Kitwe, for 3 weeks in November 2023, conducted 3 workshops, each of 3-day duration, and gave 2 public lectures. We interacted with the faculty, research scholars, and students, visited the labs at the Copperbelt University. We had hands-on sessions, various sessions, where we spoke about the virtual observatory tools, of how to handle archival data, how to access it, both in optical and radio. The radio part was done by Paul Ferry of Copperbelt. We discussed the important statistics, which is essential for astronomers, had sessions on Python with more focus on astropile. The third workshop which we had was essentially to create a manual which could be used by the students, undergraduate and postgraduate students. Here are some glimpses of our sessions. And here is a snapshot of the handbook which we are working on, Astrophysical Handbook for astronomers for undergraduate and postgraduates. We have some essentials on archival data, basics of astronomy, exoplanets, Kepler, statistics, certain glimpses. It covers essentially various things like how to morphology of galaxies using GalFit, how to use tests and Kepler data, and various things. We hope that this manual will be of much use for students across uh, Africa and elsewhere. Thank you.